In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI to write product descriptions that sell. If you've ever struggled with creating compelling product copy that drives sales, this video will give you the exact steps you need to take advantage of AI and write descriptions that grab attention and convert visitors into buyers. First, let's address the real challenge, creating product descriptions that stand out and speak to your audience. Most product descriptions out there are flat and uninspiring. That's where AI comes in. By using AI to write your descriptions, you can generate high-converting copy quickly and consistently. It's not just about making things easier, it's about getting results faster. We're going to use software that automates the heavy lifting. It'll allow you to focus more on your strategy and less on the grind. With AI, you can tweak the tone, voice, and style of your descriptions to match your brand. Whether you need something playful or professional, AI can tailor the output to your needs. Now, here's the key. Start by feeding the AI some key information. This includes the product's features, benefits, and target audience. The more details you give, the more personalized and persuasive the description will be. You can also tell the AI the type of language you want. Do you want it to be formal, casual, or maybe even humorous? This flexibility is what makes AI so powerful when it comes to writing product descriptions. Once the AI generates a first draft, you want to go through and make sure it's in line with your brand. A little customization goes a long way. Add any final tweaks, like highlighting your product's unique selling points or adjusting the call to action. This is a critical step. Don't just let the AI finish the job for you. You still want it to sound human and authentic. But here's something important. If you want to really maximize the impact, make sure your descriptions focus on the benefits, not just the features. AI can help you identify and expand on these benefits in a way that resonates with potential buyers. Ask yourself, what problem is this product solving for the customer? What pain point are you addressing? If you can answer these questions clearly, your product descriptions will have much more power. And remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. It's great at getting you started and providing a solid foundation, but you'll still need to put your personal touch on the final copy. This balance of automation and human input is where the magic happens. At this point, I've walked you through how to get started with AI for writing product descriptions that sell, but there's one thing you don't want to miss. I've arranged an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. The link is in the description below, so make sure to grab that if you want to follow along and see just how easy it can be. To wrap it up, AI can save you tons of time, help you generate copy that's both engaging and persuasive, and ensure that your product descriptions stand out. The key takeaway here is that while AI can help you write faster, it's your strategy and tweaks that will make your descriptions truly shine. Don't forget, click that link below to take advantage of the exclusive free trial and start crafting descriptions that convert today.